Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the top contenders in the world of power inverters, the Renogy 2000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. This powerhouse is designed to transform 12 volts DC power into 120 volts AC, making it ideal for a variety of applications, from RVs to off-grid solar setups. Stick around as we uncover what makes this inverter a standout choice in its category. First off, let's talk power. The Renogy 2000W provides a continuous 2000 watts of pure sine wave AC power, with a whopping 4000 watts available during surge conditions. This means it can handle high startup loads effortlessly, making it perfect for powering sensitive electronics like laptops, TVs, and even medical equipment without any risk of damage. It's packed with user-friendly features, including 3 AC outlets, a USB port for charging devices, and even a convenient remote control for easy operation from a distance. Renogy has also ensured top-notch safety with LED indicators for under-voltage, over-voltage, over-temperature protection, and more. Plus, its durable metal housing and high-speed ventilation fans keep it running cool and reliable. What really sets the Renogy 2000W apart is its advanced pure sine wave technology. This ensures that the power output is as clean and stable as what you'd get from your home's electrical grid. This not only protects your sensitive electronics but also extends their lifespan. Whether you're running a full-sized refrigerator in your RV or powering tools at a remote job site, this inverter delivers consistent, high-quality power without the annoying hum or interference. So, is the Renogy 2000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter worth considering? Absolutely. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking to upgrade your RV's power capabilities or you're setting up an off-grid solar system, this inverter delivers on performance, reliability, and ease of use. With its robust build quality and array of features, it's no surprise it's a top pick in its category. That wraps up our review of the Renogy 2000W Pure Sine Wave Inverter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Have questions or want to share your experience with this inverter? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay powered up and stay tuned to Product Critique.